Microsoft Dataverse is the premium data platform for the Power Platform. Where Excel and SharePoint are lightweight, Dataverse is the enterprise option built specifically for business apps. What Dataverse gives you: relational tables with strong typing, text, number, choice, lookup, file, image, customer, etc. Built-in security role-based access, row-level security, column-level security, business rules and calculated columns without writing code. Auditing who changed what, when, and from where. Better performance at scale than SharePoint. Open APIs. OData, Web AP for integration. Tables, columns, relationships. A table stores one kind of thing: customers, orders, products. A column is a field on that thing: customer name, order date, unit price. A relationship links tables typically one-to-many. One customer has many orders. To create a relationship, open the Orders table, Relationships, New Many-to-One, choose Customers. Power Apps adds a customer lookup column to orders automatically, creating a table. Make .powerapps.com tables plus new table. Name it, for example, Customer. Power Apps auto-creates primary name, id, created, modified columns. Add columns: email, text, phone, text, country, choice. Save and use the table from any app in the same environment. License note: standalone Power Apps licenses are required for Dataverse, SharePoint, and Excel work on the seeded M365 license, but Dataverse does not. Try this. In your dev environment, create a customer table with the columns above. Add 3 sample rows directly in the table editor. Then create a new Canvas app from the table and explore the auto-generated 3: screen layout, browse, details, edit.